Welcome to another CPG webcast, a service of CPGmatters and the Shopper Technology Institute. I'm your host, John Karolefski. Thank you for joining us. Today we're talking about the mobility ecosystem, with trade promotions accounting for 15% of the typical CPG manufacturer's budget. Implementing the right mobile strategy is more important than ever. Capturing field-level intelligence and tracking store-level compliance are crucial to prove the value of promotion dollars. So how can companies map out the best mobility strategy? Joining me to answer that question and more is Chris Rice, Senior Vice President of Industry Strategy with AFS Technologies. Chris, tell us about the role of technology providers in this new landscape.
Sure. So technology providers have adapted by taking a blank sheet of paper and really redesigning enterprise mobility, taking it from a single-engine prop plane to a Learjet. And what I mean by that is that we've taken the device and we've merged the right CPG applications, like integrating retail execution with trade promotion management and business intelligence. And this approach provides a bi-directional flow of information to drive insights. For example, now a driver is prompted in store to perform certain activities to increase sales or upsell opportunities. And the sales team benefits from greater visibility and better execution.
So you're saying that the focus is shifting to retail activity optimization, right?
Yes, absolutely. And that relies on advanced analytics to send the field force to the store locations that will yield the greatest return on their time and efforts. Not only can the sales teams drive execution and manage more favorable outcomes, but they can also gain valuable insights on how to improve on every trade dollar spent and why a promotion was or wasn't successful at a very granular level.
Where does business intelligence fit in, Chris?
Great question. So putting comprehensive business intelligence tools in the hands of salespeople really enables them to do three key things. It provides in-depth visibility into performance of in-flight promotions, objective tracking and personnel management, and profit-generating account management activities, allowing the sales reps to see what is working and what is not across the chain, and then giving them the ability to drill down into the banner level and then into the store level to see opportunities and problems. This requires the ability to seamlessly integrate the mobile platform with third-party scan data and POS.
Okay, well, on the macro level, tell us about the mobility ecosystem.
Sure. Through the use of mobile technologies and applications, all the key stakeholders could participate in a consumer products mobility ecosystem, presenting enormous opportunities for information sharing and operational synergies.
And how exactly is that done?
An enterprise mobility system provides the opportunity to close the loop between disparate systems. For example, the AFS sales suite offers a complete SaaS-based TPM solution, allowing companies to manage their promotional planning and execution and payments. Now, this suite integrates with our retail execution platform, and that allows companies to plan promotions and spending and then pass those promotion calendars on to the retail teams to execute. And as that execution takes place, then they can analyze it, and once it's completed, they have a more robust set of store-level information. So without incorporating the field-level intelligence into the retail execution system, organizations are only getting part of the picture.
Okay, well, once again, how does business intelligence fit into this?
So the business intelligence and analytics solution pulls all the information together in one place to enable that visibility from the top level all the way down to the store level where the data is captured. This ensures that companies can very easily see the effect of every trade dollar spent, as well as the hard facts to document the success of the promotion down to the rep or the store level. The result offers tremendous insight into how to address situations going forward and proactively affect the success of future promotions.
Okay, well, before we run out of time, Chris, I'd like you to talk about how manufacturers can collaborate with their trading partners.
Sure, that's an important topic. By extending their mobile applications to major retail banners, manufacturers can build new symbiotic workflow processes. For example, by working collaboratively with headquarter buyers and store managers, they can optimize shelf utilization, maximize the impact of in-store promotions, minimize out-of-stocks, and increase the penetration of new products introductions. This improves and optimizes the time spent focused on the most beneficial tasks to generate the most value for manufacturers and retailers.
Interesting. And how about the independent store operators, Chris?
Okay. So pervasive mobility can provide manufacturers with an efficient way of interacting with millions of independent store operators in both developed and emerging markets. By leveraging a cloud-based mobility platform, companies can establish a connected presence with these outlets. They can push mobile apps out to multiple device types that can interact with the mothership for pricing and ordering and information and other services. And here's another important point. In the consumer products industry, outsourced merchandising companies or brokers are routinely contracted to monitor in-store conditions and replenish shelves or deliver in-store marketing materials. And these companies typically work from their own systems, which means their clients can't access in-field information in real time. And the opportunity now exists for large manufacturers to develop a mobile business system that does not rely on some desktop access to the internet or a company-supplied hardware or software package to provide their own task-based applications to their contract employees.
Well, it's a brave new world. Any closing thoughts?
Sure. The necessary building blocks are available right now for companies to reimagine their processes for a mobile world. So the right technologies coupled with deep expertise in CPG industry mobile solutions opens a new frontier for extending competitive advantage. The ability to integrate the standalone functionality of retail execution with business intelligence and trade promotion management will provide companies with a truly comprehensive and unmatched sales solution. The suggestion of a completely integrated retail solution that allows companies to quickly deploy enterprise-class mobile applications to anyone, anywhere, on any device to capture field-level performance and gain insight into trade promotion effectiveness is not just a future dream. It's here now.
As I said, it's a brave new world. Thanks, Chris. To follow up with Chris Rice, you can email him at chris.rice@afsi.com. For more information about AFS Technologies, please visit them at www.afsi.com. Until the next time, this is John Karolefski signing off for CPG Matters, the Shopper Technology Institute, and AFS Technologies.